With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, we have this question. A stone is dropped from the top of a tower, 500-meter high, into a pond of water at the base of the tower. When is the splash heard at the top? Given g is equals to 10 meter per second square and speed of sound is 340 meter per second. So suppose this is our tower and we have a pond on the base of tower and height of this tower is 500 meter. So a stone is dropped from the top of this tower and its initial velocity will be 0 because it is dropped from top of tower, and it will reach the ground after some time, and when it will splash, the sound of splash will take some time to reach in the ears of the person. So we have to find the total time, that is time taken by this stone to come to ground and splash, that is come to water and splash, and time taken by sound to travel to the ears. So first we will find time taken by stone to come to ground. So as we have displacement, that is displacement by the sound is 500 meter. So we will apply S is equals to ut plus half at square. S is displacement which is 500 meter plus initial velocity 0. Initial velocity is 0, that's why ut will become 0. Plus half acceleration is 10 into t square. So from here we will get t square is equals to 100. It means time taken by stone to come to ground is 10 seconds. Now after this sound of splash will goes into the ears of the person. So time taken by sound to travel 500 meter is time taken by sound to travel 500 meter is distance upon speed, and speed of sound is 340 meter per second. So this time is coming out to be 1.47 second. So total time will be sum of this time, that is time taken by stone to come to ground, and time taken by sound of the splash to reach in the air. So it will be 10 plus 1.47 second. That is 11.47 second. So after 11.4 second of dropping the stone, the person will hear its splashing sound. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.